What if I told you life is a beautiful moment?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I retighten my son's locks. It's been about 3 months now since the last time I retightened it for him. So finally I have a chance to get it done for him. So here we go. As you can see, the nape area is very short. I used to shave it for him, so he said he wanted to grow it out. I said okay, that's fine, and here it is. It's getting pretty long. So just continue to watch this video until the end to see how I do it for him. I usually just use the crochet hook to retighten his hair. It's pretty easy and fast for me using the crochet hook. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the notification button. I really appreciate you, or I really appreciate you all, excuse me. And so I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.